The Mi-8 series and commercial versions of the Mi-8 and Mi-17 helicopters used by the Russian military have proven good performance and reliability. The outstanding features of this helicopter line have won the favor of many countries. The Mi-171Sh Storm helicopter is a specialized assault transport version of the famous Mi-17 series. Launched at the Army 2020 Defense Exhibition, Mi-171Sh is an export model of Russia's Mi-8 AMT-SH. With the Mi-171Sh helicopter version, this helicopter becomes a multi-purpose, multi-mission type. In addition to continuing to maintain strong transport capabilities while enhancing fire support for ground and anti-armor units, as well as further improving the informationization capabilities of avionics systems, help Mi-171 become more useful. The Mi-171Sh Storm helicopter is specially designed to carry out counter-terrorism missions by special forces. The helicopter is equipped with high-altitude, increased power engines, a new rotor system with an improved profile composite main rotor and X-shaped tail rotor, an integrated flight and navigation system, and most importantly, an improved composition of weapons and defense systems. Improving crew and trooper safety was one of the key goals of the upgrade. That is why the Mi-171Sh Storm has improved armor protection on the fuselage, which guarantees mission performance even in fire-resistant counteraction. In particular, the onboard defense system provides enhanced survivability and protection. The onboard defense system can detect anti-aircraft missile launches and jam portable anti-aircraft missile systems. The innovation can detect missile launches with infrared and thermal homing heads and knock them off course with jammers and decoys. The onboard defense system can also detect enemy radars, determine their immediate direction, the type of radar, and its operation mode. The onboard defense system has an innovative feature to instantly display aerosol smoke screens to cover up the loading and unloading the troops. This will protect from, among other things, detection by thermal imaging devices. Combined titanium and aramid armor, helicopters' protection and other structural measures also increase combat endurance and safety. The troops in the cargo bin, as well as the most important components and crew, protected by armor. For troops' protection, the cargo bin floor is fully covered with removable lightweight Kevlar armor. Compared to previous Mi-8 or Mi-17 transport helicopters, the Mi-171Sh is in line with the world's general transport helicopter development trend of increasing firepower by comprehensively upgrading the air weapon system. Armament of the Mi-171Sh was derived from Mi-24 gunship. It has 2 stub wings with a total of 12 hardpoints for various weapons. This helicopter can carry around 1,500 kilograms of weapons, including 86 or 89 anti-tank guided missiles, bombs, ports with 23mm twin-barrel cannons, and ports with 57mm or 80mm unguided rockets. The Mi-171Sh can engage enemy infantry ammo vehicles, and main battle tanks. Also, it can carry SA-18 air-to-air missiles that give this helicopter a secondary air-to-air capability against enemy helicopters, low-flying aircraft, and UAVs. There are two trainable 7.62mm machine guns hidden behind doors and operated by the passengers. During peacetime operation, the stub wings can be completely removed. This helicopter is powered by two Klimov TV3 117MV turboshaft engines, developing 2,190 horsepower each. These engines allow the helicopter to operate in high altitude and mountainous terrain. VK2500 engines were proposed as an option. Also, comparing with the earlier Mi-17 helicopters, it has new and structurally improved rotor blades. In the event of failure, another engine automatically increases its power to around 2,500 horsepower in order to continue to fly. Comparing with the earlier Mi-17 series helicopters, the Mi-171Sh has updated avionics and modernized electronic core. It can operate at night and adverse weather conditions. It is equipped with GPS and Russian GLONASS satellite navigation systems. Newer versions can be identified by a dolphin nose and are also fitted with weather radar.